The only thing that has been traumatic is you telling me how big my head is.
Hi, I'm Sage, and this is my little sister Grace. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. Today I'm going to show you a fun layered haircut with a really cool blowout style while we talk about our relationship.
It's been fun experimenting on your hair.
Well, I guess I have a good canvas. You've always said that.
You have the crazy best thick hair, and here I am needing to pay hundreds of dollars to make my hair look like yours does naturally.
Yeah. I love when you play with your hair too, because I feel like you've gone through so many different phases of your life with
the mohawk phase.
The mohawk phase.
The mohawk phase. Who would have thought? Did any of those hairstyles make you want to cut your hair short?
I feel like, no. You know what? The only thing that has been traumatic is you telling me how big my head is. No matter what, you tell me how big my head is, and I know. I know how big my head is.
Look how big it is. So I don't know if you remember this story, but do you remember your friend Alex in Colorado and how I got kicked out of her house and her mom never let me come back and play? I remember Alex had just gotten a new pack of Sharpie neon highlighters.
Oh, I think I do remember.
And she had her natural blonde hair. And after watching Mom get highlights enough times, I was like, I can give you highlights. And the Sharpie said highlighter. So I was like, we can do this in your hair.
This is for.
So I gave her neon pink, yellow, green, and orange highlights with the Sharpie highlighter.
No, I don't remember this at all.
And her mom, which was such a type A personality, she called Mom immediately to pick me up. And she said I was no longer allowed at the house. When we were younger, you would have thought maybe you would have turned into a hairdresser because literally everything we did had to be the same, even down to, I'll tell you my most traumatizing haircut. I wouldn't let Mom brush my hair, so she took me immediately the next day to go get it a 3 all over, I think. And because you wanted to do the same thing all the time, you were like, me next, I'm gonna go get my hair shaved.
I was a big supporter.
And Mom immediately walked out with 2 sons that day.
Can I just take a drink real quick? I'm sorry, I'm just parched.
Can I actually just leave? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm
and the end of the video is... So we're going to use the ADDVOLUME styling foam, and this is going to allow her blowout to be very maximum. And then to make sure that it holds, we're going to use the straightening cream, and that's going to ensure that her style will last at least the week when she goes to work. You do something really creative with your boyfriend, and you guys created Retro Future. Can you tell me where you guys got that inspiration from?
Christian started Retro Future USA when he was in college. He really started selling vintage clothes to pay his rent, and he was really into the art scene in Atlantic City, and it's fun having a partner who allows you to try a bunch of different things out when it comes to curation of clothes or art. Something that I struggled with trying to find a creative outlet, and it's been a really cool thing to see kind of blossom when you just have the space to create and the people around you who really encourage it.
We are just going to finish this off using our dry texture spray just to give a little bit more flow to the style that we created, and this would be the perfect product for if she wanted to re-zhuzh this tomorrow or the next day, which she definitely is going to do. Let's give you the final reveal.
Woo. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
I hope you guys enjoyed my conversation with my sister Grace. Make sure you check out more content like this on the KMS YouTube page.